Hello traders, my name is Horvat and welcome to a new free video update in which I will take a look on euro dollar. As you know, I have been looking for a breakdown for a while. I was tracking an ABCDE pattern here on euro dollar, and so far we have seen a very nice decline this week beneath this trendline support, which can represent the lower side of a trading range. So ideally, this market will continue to the downside in impulsive fashion into wave 5. So despite very strong decline in 300 pips or more, there is definitely room for much lower pips in days and weeks ahead, okay? Because on the monthly chart, okay, so this triangle is actually part of this big decline that is still fully in progress on a monthly level. What I see here is ABC, and then you have wave C down, which should be structured by 5 subwaves. So this I labeled as a wave 1, 2, 3, and this consolidation for the last year and a half, it's actually just a pause with a downtrend. It's wave 4, and if you are following me very closely, then you know that I have been looking for this wave 4 for a while. Actually, we called a triangle idea already at the start of this year. Okay, so now when you have 5 subwaves in place, we definitely should consider short entries on the pullbacks. This current decline is very strong with an increase in volume, but I see a break above below wave D. Now this wave D, from my point of view, is very important because this low represents a consolidation that was now in play since start of May. Okay, so actually this low and this high here are very important. So I suspect that there are a lot of orders around these levels. So I would not be surprised if these levels, now when we are below it, we will see maybe a reversal back into the range and then continue lower. So what I mean by that is that probably a lot of stop orders are placed below that level, 109.10. So definitely a pullback could occur, and this will be in 3 waves. Now the next thing that tells me that we will see a pullback is obviously based on my primary tool, Elliott wave analysis. I can see 5 waves of decline from this completion triangle in final stages of wave E of wave 4. So actually a 5 wave of decline suggests that we could see a bounce in 3 waves. Of course, that's this may not happen, but definitely I will not be selling euro dollar here when we have 5 waves down. I will definitely wait on a pullback first. So ideally, we will see an ABC retracement back into the area of a previous correction, in other words, of a wave 4 of 1 lesser degree. And this resistance area is actually here, from 109.60 up to 1.140 level. Okay, so there's nearly 90 pips region of resistance from where I would expect a new turn to the downside, but after a visible 3 waves of recovery. I also have another wave count here, okay, which is slightly different but suggests the same. Here you can see that I'm tracking a little bit more extended structure of this impulse. Okay, so here I'm actually still anticipating wave 4 bounce, while here I'm expecting a bounce into an ABC formation of a higher degree. So actually it's the same thing. I'm expecting a bounce here up in wave 4 back to the area of a former wave 4. So we have same resistance area that we should track and expect more weakness after this bounce. Okay, if market will continue just straight to the downside, then there's nothing to do, at least on my end, than just wait on a 3 wave retracement. Okay, maybe with a new wave count, but the idea is to look for short opportunities because this looks very strong. Momentum is increasing here, as I see, so definitely we should be aware for much lower levels. Now also I'm looking at correlation with DAX. As you know, when DAX goes higher, euro dollar will tend to go lower, and this is clearly also visible here on this chart. here in blue we have euro dollar, while on black we have German DAX. Okay, so actually you can see here that this in blue is trading down, German DAX is trading to the upside. Correlation is not perfect, you will not see correlations going tick by tick, but definitely you need to consider the major trends. Okay, so if I'm expecting more weakness in euro dollar, then you should expect more upside on German DAX. But and here on this 1 hour, this is clearly negative correlation. Okay, here you can see at the start of October, actually it was October 7th, euro dollar made a swing high here, while the German DAX made a swing low. So we have seen fall on euro dollar after that, while German DAX moved to a new high. Then at the same time, German DAX found a high, euro dollar made a new swing turn here to the upside into a pullback. Then again, euro dollar found resistance, German DAX found a support, it bounced strongly to the upside. Okay, here when euro dollar made this consolidation, at the same time German DAX made consolidation to the downside. Then German DAX moved to the upside, again euro dollar broke to the downside. Then another consolidation down here on German DAX, sideways on euro dollar, and then you can see strong rally up here on German DAX, while euro dollar is making strong like to the downside. So if I'm expecting more weakness on euro, okay, then definitely German DAX should stay bullish. So if we take a look on our updated wave count for German DAX, then we obviously need to have a bullish wave count here. So recently, actually it was last week, I think, I posted a video and said and actually highlighted this bullish scenario for German DAX, where I'm tracking 1-2 scenario, which means that current leg up from 91.64 can be wave free. And what I really liked on this price action is this broken trendline resistance connected from 2015 highs. And notice that after that we have seen a very slow pullback, clearly in a corrective fashion, that found a support at this trend line. So actually resistance turned into support, and so far we can see a nice push to the upside with more than 500 points. Okay, so I'm expecting definitely more upside here, because I think that this consolidation can be finished here in a wave forward. It was ABC, okay, wave X then, and another ABC down, then you have a flat for wave 2. So ideally this market will continue to the upside, but we could see some kind of a new pullback in 3 waves before market will explode to the upside. But based on this, how price action looks and how euro dollar is acting, I think that it's not far away to see this push above 10.8003 level from mid of August. Okay, traders, thank you very much for your attention, and I will catch you with new updates next week. Bye.